Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you saved a website as a bookmark but want to change its name? Google Chrome lets you edit the name of a saved bookmark, making it easier to recognize and find later. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit a bookmark name in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then tap Bookmarks. The Bookmarks page will open. Under Only on this device, tap Mobile Bookmarks. Find the bookmark you want to rename. Next, tap the three-dot icon next to the bookmark. Several options will appear. Then tap Edit. The bookmark editing screen will open. Here, you can edit the bookmark name. Change the name to whatever you want. Once you are finished, save your changes. The bookmark will now have the new name. And that's how to edit a bookmark name in Google Chrome on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Chrome tutorials.